Yesim eSIM setup tutorial. Buy, activate and save on roaming costs. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you Yesim eSIM setup tutorial step by step and how you can save money while doing it. Before we begin, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find some great Yesim discount and coupon codes that you can use during your booking. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Open your browser and search for yesim.com. Click on the first official website that appears. Once the homepage loads, log into your account. I'm already logged in for this demo. After that, here, you can select the country of your choice. Then click the checkout option. Find the promo code box. It's usually under the order summary. Go to the link in the description, copy one of the verified coupon codes, and then paste it into the promo box. Then choose your payment method and click pay. That's it. Your Yesim booking is complete and you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. And don't forget, check the link in the description below for exclusive Yesim discount codes to save even more on your next booking. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.